Robert Emmet Odlum was an American swimming instructor. Odlum was the first person to jump off the Brooklyn Bridge and was killed doing so. Robert Emmet Odlum was born in Ogdensburg, New York, on August 31, 1851, the son of Catherine and Richard Odlum. He was named after the Irish nationalist Robert Emmet. Odlum was one of 7 children, only 4 of whom survived childhood. Odlum's elder brother David served under the name Charles Rogers in the 8th Missouri Volunteer Infantry of the Union Army in the American Civil War and disappeared after the Battle of Shiloh. It was never known whether he had been killed, captured or had deserted. He was the brother of women's rights activist Charlotte Odlum Smith. Odlum was an expert swimmer as a child. After the death of Richard Odlum in the mid-1850s, the Odlums traveled to New Orleans, then to New York City, Boston, Detroit, Cleveland, and Montreal, Canada. They eventually settled in St. Louis. In 1860 they traveled to Cuba, returning to New Orleans from Havana on March 21, 1861, the same day Louisiana ratified the Confederate Constitution. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.